Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ramp for card management and expense workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Ramp for card management and expense workflows, begin by visiting the Ramp web. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the card management section. Click on Add New Card to begin issuing a card for your team member. Fill in the required details such as the name and email of the cardholder. Set the spending limit based on your company's policy. Select the card type, whether a physical card or a virtual one. After entering the necessary information, click Create Card to finalize the request. Next, go to the Expense Workflows section in the dashboard. Click on Set Up Workflow to configure how expenses will be managed. Choose from predefined templates or create a custom workflow depending on your needs. Define the approval process by selecting the approvers from your team. Set spending limits and categorize expenses as necessary. Make sure to include any specific rules that apply to your organization. Once you've configured the workflow, click Save Changes to apply the settings. To add team members to this workflow, navigate to the Users tab. Select the users who will be involved in the expense management process. Assign them to the workflows you have set up. Review all settings to ensure everything aligns with your company's policies. Run a test transaction to ensure that the new card and expense workflow are functioning as expected. Finally, communicate the new process to your team and provide any necessary training. You are now ready to manage cards and expenses effectively with Ramp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.